Hey crafty friends, welcome back to Magnolia Design Co. Today we're showing you one of our favorite ways to style our rub-on transfers inside a painted, vintage-inspired frame. It's quick, easy, and it turns out absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're starting with this simple frame. This one doesn't have glass, which is perfect for this project. To start us off, we'll take it apart, so we'll paint each piece separately. We'll paint the cardboard insert to create a nice background for our design, and then paint the outer frame to give it that vintage charm. You can use any chalk or acrylic paint you like. We are going for a soft, layered look, so a little texture here is totally fine. Once we're happy with the color, we'll speed things up with our heat tool. You can also let it air dry if you prefer, but we love how quick this heat tool makes this step go. Now that everything is dry, it's time for the fun part, the rub-on transfer. So here we're going to be using our brand new pink Christmas transfer, which has several gorgeous designs to choose from. We'll cut out this adorable Santa along with a few sparkles and snowflakes to fill it in around him. To apply the transfer, peel off the clear backing, place the transfer where you want it, and press it down firmly, working from the center outward. Then grab your burnishing tool and rub all over the design very well. After the design is covered and you have smoothed and rubbed everywhere, slowly peel away the top shiny layer to reveal the beautiful design. And look at that detail. Isn't it just gorgeous? Now we'll repeat the same steps for the sparkles and the snowflakes, layering them around Santa until we're happy with the layout. Once that's done, it is time to reassemble the frame, and just like that, you've got a beautiful, festive piece of decor that looks like it came straight from a boutique. We love how this turned out, the colors, the design, the vintage frame, it all just ties it together perfectly. And the best part, you still have plenty of designs left on your transfer sheet for more projects. You can find our pink Christmas transfer and so many other beautiful designs on our website at magnoliadesignco.com. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to tag us when you share your creations. We love to see what you guys make. Happy crafting from all of us here at Magnolia Design Co.